Hi viewers, how you doing? Today we are going to visit the sacred place of Sri Madvirat Potuluri Veera Brahmendra Swami's temple. This temple is located in the village of Kandimallayapalam, Kadapa district, Andhra Pradesh. There are direct buses from the cities of Maiduguri and Badvel. The road before the temple Gopuram leads to the own house of Brahmangaru. Potuluri Veera Brahmendra Swami, also known as Brahmangaru, was a Hindu saint who lived in Andhra Pradesh. He is known for the Kalagnanam, a book of predictions written in Telugu around the 16th century. Recently, the door got struck, so no one was allowed inside the house. I shot the video from the broken door. You can see the glimpse of interiors in the house. Beside the house there's a well which was existed since the time of Lord Brahmangaru. It is said that the Lord Brahmangaru digged the well just within one night with the horn of a deer, even it was a hard rock soil. Brahmangaru performed a miracle by calling goddess Poleramma Devi, in which goddess responded through a clay idol of her own, which shocked the whole village. This was happened at the Ramulvari Rachabanda, which is in the backside of the house. In between the main temple and Poleramma temple, there is a matam named Sri Kakkaya and Mutyamma Ammavaru. Kakkaya's story was, one day Brahmangaru was explaining the seven chakras to his disciple Siddhaya, while Kakkaya listening the whole thing in secret. Ignorant Kakkaya cuts his own wife into 7 pieces to see the chakras. He understands nothing from it. So the enraged Kakkaya lifted his sword and about to attack Swamiji. But the hand with the sword was stuck in the midair. The incident shocked Kakkaya. Swamiji got the whole story and made his wife back to life and explained the 7 chakras to Kakkaya. Soon Kakkaya became the disciple of Brahmangaru. The Poleramma temple was located a kilometer far from the main temple. The temple was so powerful and peaceful. One must visit Polarama temple along with the main temple. This was the sacred place where Brahmendra Swami left his body and got enlightened. As the camera was not allowed inside the temple, Swamiji's Sajiva Samadhi exists inside the temple. Besides, Mother Govindamba's Sajiva Samadhi was existed, and Swamiji's eldest son Siddhali Nagacharya Swami's Sajiva Samadhi also existed. Swamiji's lineage was living in the house which is in the backside of the temple.